Hello there. Welcome to 4devs.com. This is the second part of our development team's project demonstration video series. In the previous video, we demonstrated the transfer of 100,000 records from a relational database like PostgreSQL to an event streaming system like Apache Kafka using a Java Spring Batch application. In this video, we show how to move that data from Kafka to a NoSQL database such as MongoDB. We have developed a new Spring Batch application with a single-step job that sets up a reader to consume messages from Kafka and a writer to write them into MongoDB. This new application should run alongside the Spring Batch PostgreSQL to Kafka application shown in the previous video. If you're interested in exploring this project, visit the 4devs.com repository at github.com/4devs.com. Look for the Spring Batch PostgreSQL to Kafka and Spring Batch Kafka to MongoDB projects. Clone them directly from your code editor. In this case, I'm using IntelliJ IDEA. Then start Zookeeper and Kafka server from the command line. Alternatively, you can run a bash script we've created to simplify the process. Download the scripts directly from the link in this video's description and modify the Apache Kafka installation pathlines to match your local environment. First, run the Spring Batch Kafka to MongoDB application so the reader, consumer, is ready to receive messages produced by the Spring Batch PostgreSQL to Kafka application, which we will run next. As you can see in the logs of our Spring Batch Kafka to MongoDB application, the messages are being received. Checking our MongoDB Compass collection, we should see all the records that were in PostgreSQL now transferred by our Spring Batch Kafka to MongoDB application. With this, we've completed the second segment of our data migration. In the next video, we'll look at how to combine both applications by implementing two steps to create a unified data flow that completes the journey from PostgreSQL through Kafka to MongoDB. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.